Imagine ranking at the top of Google when someone searches for home builders near me. What would that do for your contracting business? SEO is the key to skyrocketing your online presence, and in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to harness its power, from mastering Google My Business to building a website that converts. These are the tips I use for my own SEO clients, and they work for them, and they're going to work for you too. So let's get into it. The first thing to do is to create and optimize your Google My Business profile. Your GMB profile is essential for local visibility and ranking in the map pack. So this is a great starting point and also a really easy way to get started enhancing your online presence. Now, I have separate guides on Google My Business optimization. So if you really need some help here, feel free to check back to those. But in short, here are a few key actions you can take for your GMB profile. First, upload professional logos and high quality images of your completed projects, teams, and all that stuff. Also, make sure all of the business details are fully filled in and accurate. This includes the hours, phone number, address, and services description, all that stuff. Also, make sure you write a compelling business description with relevant keywords. So include relevant words talking about your services in the description and keep it really normal, conversational tone. You don't want to complicate it with technical jargon and things only you would understand. Lastly, add videos and encourage clients to leave reviews. Now, reviews are really important, so I actually made it a whole section, and that is just build and manage reviews within your GMB profile. So again, this is really key, and the reason is that positive reviews enhance trust and boost SEO. So not only will you come up higher in search engine results, but your prospective customers will be more likely to call you over your competitors because they will see those high stars in all those reviews. So again, big steps to take here. Ask all of your happy customers for reviews specifically on Google, but also other platforms. Make sure you respond to all reviews, not just the positive ones, but also the negative ones. And in the case of negative ones, provide some color as to what happened. Maybe the job went a little bit sideways. Maybe it's a spam review and they weren't even a customer, in which case you can mention you have no record of working with whatever the name is. You can also report reviews if they're inaccurate or from people you have no mention of using. That will very likely actually lead to them just getting removed altogether. And one little tip here with reviews, get a GMB review link. I have a separate video on this as well. You might even know how to use it, but get a link. It's just a link you can copy, put it in the Notes app on your phone and send it to your clients. Text it to them, put it in your invoice, whatever. And end of the day, build and manage and respond to your reviews. It's so important. Next thing that all of you guys can do is leverage local listings and directories. Getting listings in authoritative directories will help improve your local SEO. This includes directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, really any industry or niche relevant directory sites. Make sure all of the information is consistent, name, address, phone number specifically across all listings. Google likes to see that consistency. If it's inconsistent, you will very likely be penalized. So make sure those are all up to date. Also, this will not only improve your SEO rankings, but these local listings, how to describe it, listings dominate search results. So if you Google home builders near me, odds are you're going to see Home Advisor or Better Business Bureau. And if you're listed on these, you'll get some ancillary traffic while you're waiting for your SEO to build. So it's really a win-win, and I'd highly recommend you all do that. Now, those are those steps. Moving on a little bit to some more technical things and how you do real SEO. And the first one of those is going to be to conduct a technical SEO audit. So this is a big foundational step, and really make sure your site is set up properly. And a technically sound website ensures your site is visible to search engines and easy to use for customers. So some key steps to take here: use Google Search Console to fix any issues related to indexing, sitemaps, all that stuff. You'll want to make sure your website is mobile friendly and loads quickly. This is so important. Your users want a mobile friendly site and a fast site, and Google wants to see that too. And also Fix any broken links, duplicate content, and other technical errors. I would recommend using a tool like SEMrush for your site audit. And again, it'll scan, show you all the errors, and you can go through and fix the ones that you're able to. Once you've done that, you're in good shape to begin actually optimizing the site for your words. And the first step of that is going to be identifying which keywords you want to rank for. Keywords are the key phrases that you care the most about. And these are the words, once they rank, that are going to drive search traffic to your site, ensuring you're found by customers. So in this step, I would recommend using a tool like Google Keyword Planner, that's a free one, or SEMrush. And you'll want to research high volume, location specific keywords that best describe the types of jobs you want to do in the markets you most want to do them. That might be kitchen remodeling, city, or bathroom contractors near me, things like that. So you want to identify service specific and location based keywords. And a big hint here is to find the variations that are high volume. I know I already mentioned that, but that's really important. You might have an inclination as to what your customers type in, but you have your own, industry knowledge, and what you think people type in might not be true. So look at the search volume and pick the high volume variations. Once you've done that, I would recommend you copy 5, 10, 15 or so words that you're going to focus on and put those into a Google Sheet. And we'll come back to that later. And I'll actually just make a sample one here. And you can see here, so I made a quick home builder one, and I just put in a bunch of target keywords: home builders, Seattle, custom homes, home construction, bathroom renovations, all this stuff. So yeah, that's the first part of this. Figure out some words, put them in the sheet, and we'll come back to the sheet in the next step. Then, once you've done your keywords, you're going to optimize your website structure. A user-friendly, optimized site will keep your visitors engaged and help with rankings. Some big things to do here is to create dedicated pages for each service. For example, you'll probably have a page for home renovations, bathroom renovations, custom homes, basement suite conversions, things like that. And an easy way to make sure you do that is in those target keywords that we just did in the last step, segment them by type of word. So you see here, I have batched all the custom home builder words in one, all the kitchen reno words in one, bathroom rentals in one, and basement suite conversions in one. This is just an example. Cater this, of course, to your words for your services. And then you want to make sure you have a page for each thing. So you have a basement suite page, a bathroom page, and so on and so forth. This is really important because that way you can optimize each page for those target keywords. And then what's going to happen is you're going to rank those pages for that word. So when someone Googles bathroom renovation near me, they don't end up on the kitchen page, they end up on the bathroom page. So it's really important, and also not only gives you the chance to rank, but make sure your prospective customers land on the right page. You'll also want to make sure you have clear calls to action on each page, like request a quote or contact us, and make it clear what you want them to do. And again, just make sure your site is mobilely responsive and easy to navigate. Anyways, now that you've figured out your keywords and you've gotten all the pages on your site, you can start using your keywords strategically. Proper keyword placement will boost your ranking without compromising readability. So again, some steps you can take here: include your target keywords in your titles, meta descriptions, and H1 tags. You can use keywords naturally, or rather you should use keywords naturally within your page content and the image alt text, but avoid keyword stuffing. You want to make sure you have natural, engaging content. From there, you've got a good site foundation, you've got your words, your pages, and it's all set up right, and you're kind of coming to the end of the SEO work and the stuff you can do. But something you can do on an ongoing basis is starting a blog to attract more traffic. Blogging helps build authority and also attract customers searching for solutions. So within this, you can write valuable keyword-rich blog posts like how to choose a contractor, 5 remodeling mistakes to avoid, things like that. You are the industry expert. This is your job. You have years of experience doing this. There's no one more qualified to write blog posts than you, because you are, on the tools, in the trenches every day. You'll have so many great insights to share, and you can just answer common questions and concerns to establish expertise. And by posting regularly, you'll keep your site fresh and improve rankings. So not only will you start to rank for new words, but when people come to your site, they're going to like what they see and be more likely to get in touch with you. Once you've been doing all this, it's important to make sure you track and adjust your SEO efforts. Consistent tracking ensures you're staying on top of your SEO game. So set up Google Analytics and SEMrush to track traffic, conversions, and keyword rankings, and regularly update your SEO strategy based on performance metrics. If you're seeing a lot of site traffic but no conversions, maybe there's an issue with your site and there's not very clear call to actions. Or maybe you're ranking for wrong words that don't describe the services you do. So look at your data and adjust accordingly. Anyways, I hope you found this guide useful. I will definitely say you need to stay consistent and be patient. Doing SEO for any business, especially home service contractors, can take time to show results, but once implemented, it can drive steady growth for your business. So stay consistent with updating your GMB, gathering reviews, improving your website, and tracking your progress. And over time, your business will improve and its online visibility will attract more leads and generate higher revenue. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for future videos. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below in the comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Hope everyone has a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.